Have you ever tried to analyze which part of the curriculum your child likes the most? Does he like or prefer to listen to his teacher's lectures more or have some group discussions? Or does he prefer to have some hands-on activities to do by himself, maybe some projects or maybe some assignments and have some further reading? Or is it that he wants to have some demo classes, practical classes? Or does he prefer to have some charts and diagrams? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you what exactly are the 4 learning styles of a teenager. Yes, we all of us have different learning styles. Each one of us have 1 or 2 dominant styles of learning. This particular video is useful for all the teachers and the parents. So stay tuned till the end. Now, as I told you, there are 4 different styles of learning. One is research learning. That is, the child prefers to have his own research done. Some analysis is done by himself and he wants to have some further reading so that he can analyze, he can have a deep study about the concept. Second is tactile learning. That is something that is used along with the hands or some hands-on activities. He wants to do some practical things on himself and try to figure out how can this concept work or where this concept is suitable. So this is another style of learning. Next comes a graphical learning. That is, figures or charts or diagrams is something that the child is interested in. Here, they are easily able to understand the concept. Fourth is acoustic learning. That is something that is heard and understood, as we call it as auditory learning. So these are different styles of learning and each one of us prefer at least 1 or 2. That is, the 5th one I can say it's about multimodal learning system. That is, the child has 1 or more than 1 sometimes the styles of learning that are very easily adapted. Now what happens, the child has to analyze and we have to figure out which particular learning style is suitable for learning one particular concept, which he can do it effortlessly and he can do it very quickly. So it all depends on each and every child and we have to analyze and help them out to facilitate which style of learning the child has. We have to identify our learning styles and help our children also to learn their learning styles so that it can be helpful for them to read and understand the concepts easily. If I prefer to have acoustic learning, I cannot learn graphical learnings. It cannot be understood because I don't understand the concept. It's not my way of learning. So we have to identify our own learning styles and this will really be helpful for each one of us to learn the concepts better and quicker. I hope you like this video. Keep sharing these videos and add values in others' life as well. Kindly subscribe the channel if you haven't done so. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.